This kind of illicit substances are usually ferried from Kano to neighboring states.
The Nigeria Customs Service has reaffirmed its zero-tolerance policy on drug trafficking, an activity that fuels insecurity and poses a grave threat to public health.
It is worthy to note contribution of Customs Intelligence Unit.
Speaking at a press briefing in Kano, the Customs Area Controller for the Kano Jigawa Command, Comptroller Abubakar Dalhatu, announced the interception of 172 parcels of Cannabis Sativa with a duty-paid value of 10.416 million naira.
These interceptions show zero tolerance to the NCS, zero tolerance of the NCS to the menace of trafficking in illicit and dangerous substances, including cannabis sativa. This is a successful attempt by officers and men of Kano Jigawa Area Command to rid our society of dangerous items, which is in line with Section 55, subsection 1C and 2 of NCS Act 2023, which mandate the service to protect human health and restrict prohibited goods found within the custom territory and take appropriate enforcement measures in respect of such goods.
He warned that the unchecked circulation of such substances would worsen insecurity and endanger communities across the country.
Worrisome and of concern, below are the consequences of these illicit drugs in our society, which include but not limited to increased violence, thuggery, crimes, financial problems, and homelessness. High cases of weakened immune system, increased risk of illness and psychological dependence, significant financial burden on government resources, and high cost of treatment and rehabilitation of addicts, cost of social welfare to cater and care for addicted individuals and their families. As a command, we are directed by the CGC to equally adopt countermeasures.
The seized cannabis was handed over to the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, underscoring the command's continued collaboration with other security agencies in combating narcotics. In a separate seizure, the command also intercepted prohibited pharmaceutical products, valued at 92.47 million naira. Comptroller Dalhatu noted that the operation reflects the Customs Service's commitment, under the leadership of Comptroller General Bashir Adewale Adeni, to protecting lives and securing the nation's borders.
This describes another commitment, a milestone, officers and men of Kano Jigawa Area Command, which is in line with the CDC's desire and deliberate intention to protect our society against poisonous substances that can hamper food production in Nigeria and equally expose members of the public to the hazardous substances and long-term health conditions therein.
The banned drugs were handed over to the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, further demonstrating strong interagency cooperation in tackling illegal imports. Abdul Karim Zurmi reporting for NCBN.